We must think and then logically, reasonably, rationally. But we are again on that point. What is the point? This universe exists. Then how this universe comes into existence? By this very logical interpretation, we find that no, there must not be any creator outside the creation. It is not possible. Because when we assume, when we take this very answer, this answer has so many fallacies. We cannot define, we cannot answer this very question that universe is created by a God, by a Khuda, by a Brahma, Vishnu or Mahesh. We cannot answer this very question in this way. It is wrong. But universe is there. Even by Big Bang theory it cannot be explained. Because before Big Bang theory, what was there? The again question is there. Even objective scientists cannot answer it. If you say Big Bang happened, a black star destroyed in with huge sound and this universe created. What was there before that? If you find before that entity was there, God particle was there, then what was before that God particle? It will be endless. Not only today, thousands and thousands of years to come, you cannot explain the existence of universe in such a way, my dear friend. Neither by subjective scientist nor by objective scientist. The moment you say that it has a beginning, the moment you say that it had started a certain point of time in past, you would be lying. Not possible. Because from that very point, from where you would say that universe began, from that very point, I will ask, what was before that? And again when you will give me a point, no, this was the point, not that. Again the question will be the same. What was before that point? So neither by objective scientists nor by subjective scientists it can be proved that at a certain point of time this universe was created or came into existence, or by a God or by Allah or by a Brahma or Vishnu, it was created. It is not possible, my dear friend. This is not the correct answer to this very question.